Yeah, let's see how we can arrange fractions with the same numerator. So we have considered the first case. So those fractions with the same numerator, with the same denominator. But this time around, we want to look at fractions with the same numerator. E.g., if you have 3 over 5 and 3 over 2. So we have 3 over 5 and 3 over 2, and you are asked to point out the one that is bigger, or you are asked to put less than or greater than sign in between them. So how do we go about it? So if you have this, you don't need to waste your time. By looking at it, you can tell us the one that is bigger, and you can tell us the one that is smaller. If two fractions have the same numerator, the one with the bigger denominator will be the smaller, and the one with the smaller denominator will be the bigger. So by looking at it, you don't even need to waste time. You don't even need to calculate. So that means under this 3 over 5, which has bigger denominator, is smaller than 3 over 2, which has smaller denominator. Because at the end of the day, if you convert both of them to decimal, you will see the secret will be shown. So this one will be 0.6, and 0.6 is surely less than, this is 1.5. So both of them, by converting to decimal, you can see how simple it is. Thank you for viewing this. Let's look at more examples. So if we now have a lot of fractions, let's continue. We have a lot of fractions, let's say a group of fractions, like we have, but if all of them have the same numerator, that's what we are talking about. Let's say we have 10 all over 2, 10 all over 5, 10 all over 3, 10 all over 6, 10 all over 4. And you are asked to order this fraction in either ascending or descending order. Let's go for ascending order. Ascending order. This will be equal to, now don't forget the principle that if you are arranging this, since they all have the same numerator, the one with the smaller denominator, the one with the smallest denominator will be the biggest, and the one with the biggest denominator will be the smallest. Now looking at this, the one with the smallest denominator is 10 over 5. That happens to be the biggest. So which one is the one with the biggest? So this is the one with the biggest denominator, and that is the smallest. Oh, let me add one more. Let's say we have 10 all over 27. Aha. This one, this is now the smallest in this case. 10 over 27 is the smallest, followed by 10 over 6, followed by 10 over 5, followed by 10 over 4, followed by 10 over 3, followed by 10 over 2, which is the biggest. So no matter how many they are, if they have the same numerator, just follow the principle. That is big to small and small to big. Smaller denominator is the biggest denominator is the smallest. Thank you for viewing this. God bless you.